This video is for the Central Park basketball court repair and renovation. This basketball court was built, I believe, in 2008 by BART when they did the BART undergrounding through Central Park. So this court was built for us by them to replace an existing facility. So the issue with this court currently is that the surface and the sub-base and subgrade are failing, which, as you can see with a lot of these cracks that are along the edges, this is due to the sub-base and subgrade swelling, causing the cracks to come through on the surface, which is leading to a lot of puddling and flooding on the courts during rains. You can see some of this white and brown staining. This is from flooding and standing water that occurs during rains and sits for several days after. So the intent of the project would be to tear the surface, the asphalt, and the subgrade out, remove as much subgrade as possible that might be shrinking or swelling, and replace it with some new material and build the whole court back up, and try to maintain these existing grades that you see out here. So this is the lower edge of the court, adjacent to the large dog park here in the background, and you can see how asphalt in the court surface is separating from the existing perimeter curb for this project. And then you can also see the extensive alligatoring that's occurring in the surface here, where the surface is shrinking and swelling underneath, causing cracks to appear that then lead to water infiltration underneath and filling. So a couple other issues, again it's puddling issues, but you can see here this is the base of one of 6 light poles that are out here, and you have brown staining that's occurring all around the base of all the light poles. So what that's indicating, because there's such an enormous footing underneath there to withstand the wind loads against these lights, the concrete footing stays in place, but all the asphalt around it is moving, heaving up and down. And since the concrete footing isn't moving, basically it stays in place. The asphalt around it swells and it creates a low spot. So the issue that could occur is these bolts will rust out over time and fail. So the intent is to obviously remove the asphalt surfacing and have the light poles remain and have those be the high points so that water is sheeting away from those lights.